This is my 2003 Dodge Ram 1500. It's two-wheel drive. Has a 392 rear end limited slip. It's got a 5.7 Hemi automatic transmission. The color is graphite metallic, I think it's called. It's got some type of aftermarket headlights, which are pretty cool. Just had the windows done, 20 on the sides and front, and then 5 over the factory 20. I don't think this thing has a OEM rear slider though. This is some type of aftermarket slider, I believe. It's not the same as my 4-door 2004 slider, and that has the original slider on it, so it's in pretty good shape. Came from Colorado. That's why there's hardly any rust on it. Has almost brand new tires. I think they're called Trail Runners 275/60 R20, which is a little bit bigger than factory for two-wheel drives, but my plan is to take the back end and either do some drop shackles or something to even it out, level it out more. That's a little bit too big of a rake for my like. And I'd eventually like to find the full lower body kit like a Rumblebee, have it painted. That'd look really nice. Truck's got 163,000 on it. Had a 24-inch 5x8 stainless steel muffler welded in. Sounds really nice. It's not too loud. Has the factory converter, 2-into-1, then 3-inch all the way back. I can start it up quick. Sounds pretty nice. I wanted to do duals, but I didn't want to spend $400 or $500 right now. Alright, any questions, comments, leave them below and I'll answer them when I get to them. Thanks.